Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to update Warpath Ace Shooter application on your mobile device. If you want to download and install the latest version of Warpath, then follow along till the end. Go ahead and open up your Google Play Store or your App Store. Now, in the search box, type in Warpath and search. Look for this application from Lilith Games and then look if there is an update button available right underneath the game. If you see the update button, immediately press on update to download the latest version of Warpath Ace Shooter. After you've downloaded the app, tap on open to open the app on your device. And that's how you easily update to the latest version of Warpath Ace Shooter on your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more tutorials like this. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.